Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on lists and arrays. Well, I guess you can just call them a list in Snap. But yes, we are going to be using lists to create our code today. So let's look. So today I made this code right here. It's very similar to the professor's code. I just kind of manipulated it to make it more my vibe. Okay, so let's see. So first we've got our giant block of code, and then let's go into our reset block first. As we edit that, we can see that we first do some basic manipulation, and then this is where we create the list. So we set my list to 0, my list to list, and then set my database to, I didn't even mention. So the whole purpose of my code today is to make a code that checks if a number inputted 1 through 9 is equal to any number in the first 6 digits of pi. So that includes 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 9. And then we'll split that by comma. So that means all the commas get changed into like spaces, if that makes sense. That way it's easier for us to manipulate later. So given a number 1 through 9, pick a number and I'll see if it fits into the first 6 numbers, or that should maybe say digits, of pi, but it doesn't really matter. And then we'll ask, enter a number 1 through 9. We'll check if answer is a number, of course, and if a length of answer equals 1. We'll then go through our list. We'll check if it actually fits into our database. And then, lastly, we'll look and see if it fits, and if it does, then that's great, and we say that it does fit into pi. And then lastly, there's an else statement that just states that your number was not 1 through, that should be 9. Okay, so let's see how the code runs. We can do our little thing. Let's start it up. All right, so let's give her, for the sake of the video, we'll go with 3. So she's searching through the database. I think it has to go through every number. I think I forgot the number does fit in pi. Yay! And it's 3. So she doesn't say the number in the list. She just says the item, which is fine. I don't really mind. So yeah, it works perfect. And I'm really happy with that. So let's see. My code works by using a list I created called the database, or my database, I should say. And then that will be searched throughout the actual code to make sure that the number 3 actually fits in the database. Does that make sense? I hope so. And then if I didn't use a list, we would have to make the program much more complex and convoluted, which doesn't really work well for what we need to do today. So I thought that lists and arrays, or just lists in this kind of programming setting, is a really good way to be efficient with your code. Thank you so much for watching my last video of this class. It was so fun working with all of you this quarter. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye!